Hey ladies, gents, boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanae. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking this video. I have a new review for you guys, and if you are not yet, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you like me doing reviews on different products, please let me know. I really love your feedback, and yeah, just comment in the comment section down below. And yeah, but we're gonna be reviewing a concealer today. This has been raving like forever in the makeup world. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer, and it says full coverage concealer and contour. This is in the shade C13. This also has been compared to the Tarte Shape Tape. I have the Tarte Shape Tape as well. What the heck? Okay. Woo. I have the Tarte Shape Tape as well. This retails for $27. This retails for $7. So we're gonna review this. I already reviewed this on my channel. This concealer is bomb AF. Very full coverage. It's not moisturizing. It's a little bit more on the matte side, which, I mean, I'm all about the coverage because I do have hollows that I really like to cover. I really love full coverage makeup, but it isn't radiant, if you get what I'm saying. This doesn't have any type of moisture. Like I said in my last video, don't ever call yourself using this with a very drying foundation. And I mean, you can, but don't wait too long to freaking like blend it out, because it will dry up on you in 2 seconds. Trust me, I've witnessed it, I have experienced it, and it was not cool whatsoever. So let me stop rambling and we're gonna get into this video. So I'm gonna just basically do my foundation real quick. I'm gonna just speed that up because this is just a foundation routine. This is just a concealer review. If you want to see this eye look that I did, I have a new palette that I'm going to review on my channel. I am not going to tell y'all which palette yet. Y'all going to see in my next couple of videos or my next video, depending. I love you guys so much, and we just going to get into this video. I'm finished with my foundation. That took like 5 minutes, believe it or not. So now we're gonna go in with, where's the freaking concealer? Okay, good. So we're gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade C13. If you don't know, if you're not sure what shade, because I did order this online, this is not in any stores around my neighborhood. I know that for a fact. Just find someone on YouTube that you watch or that is close to your shade complexion, and use other foundations in the same shade you use foundations that can actually just see if they purchase this and see what shade they use, and then maybe you could tell what shade you're in. That's what I had to do. I had to really do my homework before. Let's just talk about this applicator. I love this applicator. It's super huge. It's super huge, and it's like, you know, it's cute. Let's look at the Shape Tapes wand. It's like the same thing, but it's like this one is like totally better because this concealer is huge. Like, this is the biggest concealer I have. That's in a tube. This looks like this could be a liquid lipstick, but I really like the applicator. Is similar. I can say that it's similar as the applicator, but it's just smaller, of course. Actually, it's not too far off. Let's see. Yeah, it's not too far off, but let's see. Let's see what's got. I heard that this concealer dries fast, so I'm gonna just place it. Like, as soon as I finish placing it, I'm going to blend it out. So I don't want nothing drying on me, and I'm just using my beauty blender. I don't want nothing drying on me, because we don't got time for that. And this blends out so good. Oh my god. This blends out so good. It's blended out so good, super fast. I mean, shoot, $7. $7. Like, I can't complain at all. I cannot at all. I cannot complain. I can't complain at all. This blended out super perfect. Like, and exactly what I'm gonna do right now is just gonna set it. I'm gonna use my Maybelline. I got the top. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This has been my powder like since for a couple of months. This has been my favorite powder. I did a review on this powder. I will link that down below if you are interested in watching. I'm gonna just set this real quick. And you know, it's good to try out different concealers with different powders because, you know, one concealer might do good with one powder and not the other. So I'm just really like, I just want this to work because this is my favorite powder and I like the concealer. So, you know, it's all about what works, you know. So okay, now I'm going to go in with the concealer again. And I'm going to go in with on my chin, wait, my nose, my chin, and my forehead in here. Because it's not going to take me long to blend all of that out. But it's different when the under eye, you spend more, oh shoot. You spend more time on the under eye more than anything. So I heard this concealer dries very fast, so I don't want to risk it and mess my makeup up because I'm taking too long for my under eye. Because that's what usually happens. Your blending out your under eye between this part right here is more important than the chin and all the other stuff you conceal that we don't really need to conceal, what we do anyway. But you know, it's all about which your preference is. I like to conceal all just to make my look come together. And now I'm going to go in and set my powders. And this is doing really good with my under eye. It looks super smooth. Of course I got, you know, lines under there. I like it. Like that crease in the under eye. I don't know. I feel like it can be preventable, but I mean, what can you do? I feel like that's just my opinion. I could be wrong, but ooh, excuse me. I feel like that I don't let that bother me. Like, it is what it is. I mean, I use eye cream and stuff like that, so like you can, I don't know, I expect it to crease, to be honest. Like, I don't really be so I'm just worried about it being smooth and looking flawless in this area, as far not really under the eye, because usually I take my eyeshadow and I do my bottom lash line, so that kind of cancels it out. But I'm not obsessed with my under eye being super smooth. Like, ain't no lines there, like ain't no nothing. Like, I'm not obsessed with it. I mean, it would be nice, but I'm not stressing about it. Like, it is what it is at the end of the day. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. guys, I am back, and I redid my contour, my highlights, my under eye lash line. Just smoked it out a little bit for my lip. My overall thoughts. Okay, I tried this concealer off camera already, meaning I wore it like twice already, but I just wanted to keep wearing it. Like, one time for me shouldn't be enough for a review, so I wore it twice and it held up. I wore it probably for more than 6 hours. I like it, and I probably would use this as a dupe for the, or probably use this for a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I like full coverage concealers, and if I come across any good full coverage concealers, I'm for it. So if I don't have to spend $27 on a Tarte Shape Tape and I can get this for $7, then I'm down. You feel me? So I will definitely purchase this again. And for the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm probably use this out and don't purchase it again. Not because I don't like it, but you know, I mean, $27, $7 when they both do the same thing. I mean, you can't beat that. So I would definitely purchase this again. I like this concealer. This concealer does hold up for a very long time. That's why I wanted to use it off camera first instead of be like, okay, yeah, I like it, girl, yeah. But no, I used it before. I used it probably for a couple of hours. Not a couple. I did my makeup. I went out, and it didn't do anything different from the Tarte Shape Tape or any other concealer that I use, even though I don't have that many of a selection. I have like probably 5 or 6, probably not even. This is probably like my 6th concealer I ever bought in my whole entire life. No funny, not trying to be funny, but I like this concealer. It gives me a nice flawless under here. It blends out bomb. The coverage is popping. It works with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, so I'm not complaining. That's facts. I'm not complaining about that. It goes good with my foundation. I use the NYX Total Control. I'm gonna have everything I use in the link down below, and this is in the shade Mocha. It just went on lovely. It's just, I just heard that it really dries quickly, so I really took that in consideration. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my under eye first, then I'm gonna do everything else that I highlight, because I don't want it to mess up my makeup and I don't want it to be hard to blend out. But I think this has more of how can I say this? This has more of a radiancy than the Tarte Shape Tape, because the Tarte Shape Tape is dry. I mean, it's just matte. It just go boom. You feel me? So this one, I don't know, when I put it on, I feel more of a radiancy, more of a creamy consistency. Tarte Shape Tape is creamy, but when it dry, it dries. Like, it's no coming back. You really have to go in, like, and really, yeah. So anyway, I really like this concealer. I would definitely purchase this again for $7. You cannot beat it. I will definitely be using this more in my videos. You know, some people, they do the, okay, let's see how much it wears, etc. on camera. I like to do it off camera. Well, I don't know, but I feel like if I tell you I like a product, like, you're gonna see me use that product all the time. Ever since I used the Maybelline Fit Me, y'all been seeing this in the video since I reviewed it, so y'all know I'm in love with it. So don't think don't think just because I'm not like, okay, I'm gonna check back in 10 hours, don't mean I'm really reviewing the product. Like, every time I sit down or every time I do my makeup, I'm gonna use the new things that I have. Then I could be like, okay, yeah, I wore it the other day and it did this and did that. So don't think I'm not reviewing. I'm still reviewing it. This is my probably my 3rd time using it. I'm gonna keep reviewing it because I'm gonna use different foundations. I'm gonna use different powders, different highlighters, whatever the case may be, and see how it works out. And I could be like, okay, I can't use it with this, I can't use it with that, but I can use it with that. You know what I'm saying? So you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate your love and support. Please click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if you really loved it, and if you really loved it, share it to your friends and family. Yeah, don't forget to come back and watch again. Leave a nice comment down below. Don't forget to connect with me on my social medias. I post on Instagram the most, because I post a lot of, you know, makeup photos, a lot of photos, etc. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Later.